Hello and welcome. I'd like to show you our brand new digital control system, the MIWE Go. And I can promise you one thing right away. If you like your smartphone, you are going to love the MIWE Go. It's just as simple to use as your phone and has numerous intelligent features that will make your life a lot easier. But before we try out all those features, you should know this. The MIWE Go is designed for a range of users with different skill levels and tasks. And this is why we have created different user profiles such as Easy Mode for daily tasks at branch outlets. Easy Mode is specifically tailored to the needs of shop staff and directly guides them through all process steps in a clear fashion. Professional Mode is for bakers or baking technology experts. This mode gives bakers all the essential information they need while baking and also allows them to make settings and edit baking programs. The third profile is Admin Mode, which is tailored to the needs of the company's IT staff and network technology. And then there's Service Mode, and you can probably imagine who this mode is for. Exactly, service technicians. This mode allows you to do all kinds of fine-tune to the baking oven, but that's not really meant for me, so let's start by having a look at Easy Mode. I have already prepared a few sheets of delicious rolls and we are going to bake them in just a minute. First, I turn the oven on. Now we see a list of stored baking programs, and this is the first of 5 process steps. Just like on my smartphone, I can scroll up and down and select the baking program that I want to use. That was really easy this time around, but what if I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do next? This is where the help function comes in handy, so I press the question mark. Now I can see the next steps and get a brief explanation of the buttons on the display. So going back, the baking program has been selected and now I have to press the next button to go to the next process step. The oven is now preheating, as I can see by this nice little thermometer animation. The MIWE Go also shows the remaining preheating time. A very practical feature that allows me to do other useful tasks in the meantime. Now the oven is preheated and a few things have changed on the display. The thermometer is now stationary, meaning the oven is no longer heating up. Also, the whole display has changed color. It's now lit up in yellow. Whenever the whole display is yellow, I know I have to do something before the process can continue. This little animation here shows me exactly what that is. I have to put the baking sheets in the oven. Also, instead of being reset to 0, the clock shows me the baking time in advance. All right, so let's put the sheets in the oven. Okay, done. To start the third process step, all I have to do is shut the oven door and the baking program will start now automatically. The display is now white again, letting me know that I don't have to do anything right now. We also see a picture of our product and the remaining baking time. I can switch to the temperature view with a swipe of my finger. I can see the set temperature and the actual temperature. Or I can turn on the larger display for the remaining baking time if I need to be a little further away from the oven for a while, or if I want my customers to see when my delicious rolls will be ready. Okay, I'll see you in 10 minutes. Well, you can hear it already. And I can smell it already. My mouth is just watering right now. And now you can see it too. The MIWE Go display is letting me know that I'm done baking. It's also yellow again. And remember what that means? Exactly. It means I have to do something. It also tells me exactly what I have to do. I have to take the sheets out of the oven. Okay, I just put on a glove, open the door, and I take them out. Now, as soon as I shut the door, the MIWE returns to the first process step, and I can select the baking program again and bake the next batch. That was so easy, wasn't it? I mean, I wasn't exaggerating, right? Obviously, there are so many other useful things you can do with the MIWE, but we'll take a look at them in another video here on our MIWE TV channel. However, there's one useful feature that I really like and that I want you to know about. Does your bakery have a bulletin board packed with little notes with instructions and helpful suggestions? Well, with the MIWE, you can do away with that bulletin board. We have assigned an info button to each program. I can simply tap to display all the information I need about the product and how to make it. This is a very helpful feature, especially for less skilled temporary staff. It tells you the individual steps before and after baking. There's also information about the number and configuration of sheets, as well as a list of ingredients for the product, so you're always ready when a customer asks for them. If you would like to learn more about MIWE and the Easy Mode, see our MIWE Easy Mode video. And if you'd like to upgrade your MIWE TC with glass display to the new MIWE, call us or talk to our MIWE service team. Well, I think I've earned this, so see you next time.